Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Looker Studio and connect BigQuery step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Looker Studio homepage. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Enter your Google account email associated with Looker Studio. Click Next to proceed. Now, input your password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication. After successfully logging in, you will land on the Looker Studio dashboard. To connect to BigQuery, locate and click on the Create button at the top left of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Data Source. In the Connector options, find and click on BigQuery. Choose the appropriate project from the list that appears. Once selected, you will see a list of datasets in that project. Pick the dataset that contains the data you want to visualize. Next, select the specific table you wish to connect to. Review the fields in the table to ensure they are correct. Click that Add button to link this table to your Looker Studio report. After adding the table, you can click Connect in the upper right corner. This will open the data configuration settings. Review the data fields and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, click Create Report to incorporate this data source into your report. You are now ready to start visualizing your BigQuery data in Looker Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.